Prime Minister Modi chairs the 9th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog. This year's theme of the Niti Aayog meeting is Viksit Bharat at 2047. 6 opposition chief ministers, M.K. Stalin, Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu, Siddaramaiah, Revant Reddy, Hemant Soren and Bhagwant Mann are boycotting this meeting, calling the budget biased and discriminatory for their state. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, in fact, is attending the meeting, saying that she is representing the voice of INDIA bloc. Mamata, in fact, also noted a lack of coordination amongst the opposition regarding the boycott of the meeting. Meanwhile, BJP has also slammed the opposition's boycott stand, calling it unnecessary politicization of the movement.
Another that we contacted us, of course, there is no coordination between us and others. That if somebody takes a decision that they will not join, if they have consulted us and there is a coordination, then we should have decided whatever India Alliance decide. But my problem is every state they have their own discretion and own deprivation and own agenda. But instead of that, I believe the federal structure, federalism, and they have deprived our state like anything for economic blockade, from political conspiracies, even they didn't spare Bengal, now they have started again to divide the Bengal.
CNN News 18's Aman Sharma and Arun Dhanta are joining us live on the broadcast. A very good morning to both of you. Arun, first coming to you since you are reporting right outside of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Please tell us the latest that you have picked up from your sources with regards to what is being discussed inside the meeting. Arun, can you hear me? All right, I think we have some network connection issues with Arun over there, but Aman also continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Aman, do you have picked up any word with regards to the meeting?
Actually, the meeting has just begun about half an hour back. We are at the Rashtrapati Bhavan outside the Cultural Center, 9th meeting of the Governing Council. As you can see, the board behind me, from here is where all the chief ministers, the home minister and the top ministers have just entered the meeting about half an hour back, and it's been underway since about 10:30 a.m. The meeting of the Niti Aayog began. But the big news which is emerging is, of course, Hemant Soren now also skipped the meeting. Hemant Soren, who a few days back the Jharkhand chief minister had said that he will come for the meeting, now he has also skipped the meeting. So apart from Mamata Banerjee, all opposition CMs have now skipped the Niti Aayog meeting. This Niti Aayog meeting has now become a casualty, I would say, of the union budget, which the opposition parties say has completely ignored the cause of the opposition ruled states. They in fact say besides Andhra Pradesh and Bihar, no other state has got anything in the union budget. And all the Congress chief ministers, the DMK chief minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin, Aam Aadmi Party chief minister, Bhagwant Mann of Punjab, and now Hemant Soren of Jharkhand are all skipping this meeting. So this is obviously a big political flashpoint now, where the BJP sources are now saying that all these chief ministers are abusing, in fact disrespecting the federal structure, because this meeting is all about looking at the roadmap for Viksit Bharat till 2047 for centre and the states to work together as Team India towards that big target of making India the third largest economy in the world, making India a developed country by 2047, the grand plan of and ambition of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the states, by boycotting this annual meeting of the Niti Aayog, are in fact trying to derail that plan. That is what BJP sources are now saying. But Mamata Banerjee is the only chief minister of the opposition now attending this meeting. We are learning, my colleague Komalika Samit Sen Gupta is saying that she will be the 7th speaker at this meeting. So about in the afternoon, about 12 or 1 o'clock, we could see Mamata Banerjee speak at this meeting. And she, in fact, Sakshi, is highlighting also the, I would say, the split in the India ranks, because Mamata Banerjee has, pulled away from the India Alliance in this particular matter and has gone in for this meeting, saying that the India Alliance partners never reached out to her. There was never a meeting or a consensus built over boycotting this particular meeting. She says she also would not have gone if she had been informed by the India Alliance partners. But since she was not informed, she only learned it from the media. She is going inside as the voice of the opposition alliance, of the India parties, and will lay her point very strongly that the budget has not been fair to the opposition ruled states, and in fact she and the other states, opposition ruled states, need a lot of money and help from the centre to run their day-to-day functioning.
Definitely. Aman, please stay on with us. We have Arun back with us on the broadcast. Arun, like Aman has mentioned that the only opposition leader present in this particular Niti Aayog meeting is Mamata Banerjee, but she is a leader of tall stature. And now the unanimity that the opposition claim about is suddenly going to get hindered because of her presence in this particular meeting.
Well, that's right. And Mamata Banerjee has gone inside the Niti Aayog's meeting with a very specific agenda about which, of course, she has made her intentions very clear that she is going to be the voice of the opposition in this council's meeting. And secondly, she would want to highlight the discrimination in budget and what all the use of the Niti Aayog. She has in that press conference yesterday made all these things very clear. And in fact, she also in a way gave threatenings that if she is not allowed to speak what she wanted to speak, then perhaps she would walk out of that meeting. So that is going to be very, very interesting. But as we speak, the meeting of Niti Aayog, 9th meeting, is underway at this moment. Of course, we are seeing that apart from Mamata Banerjee, all other opposition parties are not part of this meeting. Hemant Soren was the one who was expected to be part of this meeting. In fact, yesterday when Mamata Banerjee was holding that press conference, she said that she had spoken to Hemant Soren and Hemant Soren will be part of this meeting. But today, of course, we're given to understand that Hemant Soren is not part of this meeting. He is showing solidarity with all the opposition parties by staying away from this meeting. Now, of course, we all know the sole motive of the Governing Council Niti Aayog meeting. It is about that collaboration and also, of course, tuning between the centre and the state government. There have been multiple projects which runs in the states on the central fund and also, of course, some assistance from the state side. So this meeting, of course, is a review on all these things. And as we've been speaking about the agenda of this meeting, Viksit Bharat at 2047. So what is going to be the roadmap, how that can be achieved? And as Prime Minister has been speaking about this, that without states on board, it is difficult to achieve that target of Viksit Bharat at 2047. India at this moment, of course, has become the 5th largest economy. The target which they have is to become the 3rd largest economy and also become a $30 trillion economy by 2047. So these are the targets which are part of the Viksit Bharat. And of course, there are various other projects which includes the infrastructure and also changing the lives of the people, whether it is urban sector or urban region or the rural regions in the state, improving the living standard of those people. And also remember the last year's chief secretaries meeting which happened in Delhi, that had also given certain recommendations related to the clean water, electricity, education, health sector and land. That is also, of course, going to be part of this meeting in which Prime Minister Modi is the chairperson. We are given to understand the likes of Amit Shah, Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh, they all are present in this meeting. So it is going to be very, very interesting as to what is going to be the outcome of this meeting, because we are told that at 5:30 there will be a press conference on this meeting of Niti Aayog as to what transpired in this meeting. And interestingly, how Mamata Banerjee is going to stay there and if she speaks, what she is going to speak, that is going to be some of the interesting parts of this meeting.
And for that, we'll come back to you, Arun, for more details emerging straight from that particular Niti Aayog meet and the other BJP's meet, which is slated to happen in the evening today, right after this particular meet. Thank you so much, Arun.